what is BullX and how you guys can get the BullX access code for that. The process is very simple and easy. So what you guys actually have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So right now, as you guys can see that I'm in my BullX account. So how did I get the access code? So I will tell you step by step how you guys can get it. So first thing is, if you're new to the BullX, so what you have to do is go to the BullX Telegram channel. Just go ahead and search BullX Telegram, and that will redirect you to the BullX Telegram. So here it says that BullX beta board or BullX official site. Just go ahead and click on that, and then you can get the access code from the website or their Telegram channel. So these are the two ways that you can get the access code from. All you have to do is to get the to give them your information, your the all the required information that they will ask you to fill up the form, and then you will be good to go. So by doing that, you will be able to get into the BullX and use it. So this is that simple. I hope you find this really helpful.